Hey guys, welcome to this interesting video. Well, you might have already created multiple dashboards on Excel, on Power BI, Tableau, and many other BI tools. But in this video, I'm going to leverage AI and I'm going to leverage my prompt engineering skills and create a beautiful dashboard like this in just under 5 minutes. Now, people who are complete beginners into the data analytics space, into the BI space, if you want to get started with your data analytics learning, I have a beautiful Udemy program. The link will be in the description. Go ahead and check that out. Now, coming back to this topic, well, in this video, I'm going to leverage AI and I'm going to leverage the free version of AI, provide my files that I'm going to use for this dashboard, and provide my prompt engineering skills, write down a particular prompt, and I will be able to create a dashboard in under 5 minutes. So without further ado, let's get started. In case you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to write down a comment. What exact thing do you want from me as part of my next video? Write it down in the comment box. See you in the video. Hi, welcome back. Well, for this exercise, I'm going to use this particular file where we have columns like customer ID, gender, senior citizen, partner. Well, this is a telecom related data set, and we also have a column called as churn, which basically says whether customers have churned or not churned. So no means customer are active and yes means customers have churned. And there are multiple other columns like contract, payment method, and etc etc. So my idea is very simple. I am going to write down a very basic prompt and I'm going to generate a professional prompt. That's the first step. And then I'm going to use this professional prompt along with the file and then generate my dashboard. That is my task. For this exercise, I'm going to use Grok. You can use any AI that you want. You can use Claude. Many people are going crazy about Claude. You can use Claude, you can use GPTs, you can use any random AI in the world. This particular task will work with any kind of AI, because nowadays every AI tool that we have, every large language model that we have are good enough. There is nothing called as Claude is far better than Grok or far better than GPT, nothing like that. Well, people who are talking about that, well, I don't have any comments, but I have been working in this space since quite a long time and I know what sort of importance these models are. Anyways, discussing about these models can be done in a separate video. For this particular exercise, I am going to use Grok, and using Grok I am going to do this exercise, and under 3 to 4 minutes we will be able to generate a beautiful dashboard, right? So I'm going to write down a prompt. I am going to upload a file based on which I need you to behave as a senior data analyst or a senior BI analyst who falls under the top 0.001% in the world. You would be able to analyze the file, come up with some good KPIs, and build a dashboard with all necessary information, charts, slicers, etc. So pre-generate a beautiful prompt so that when I upload the file and provide the prompt, the AI should be able to generate the final dashboard in a HTML format. Okay, please regenerate a beautiful prompt for this. task. I don't need agents to think because I can quickly go ahead and select quick answer. And you can see that it is creating a prompt. Well, you are a world-class senior BI analyst and a data visualization expert, blah blah blah, da 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 da. Okay, great. So I'm going to upload this. Sorry, I'm going to copy this. And oh wow, I'm not able to copy. 1 second. Okay, so I've copied it. I'm taking it to Notepad and I'm going to do the final changes. Here is a beautiful prompt. I'm just going to delete it. I don't need this as well. And then okay, now I'm going to take this. I'm going to create a different chat window so that I can add this as a prompt. I'm going to pass the file. You're a world-class data expert working in the telecom domain. Okay, now yes, everything is fine. Let's go. Now I want the agents to think. I don't want a quick answer because I want a well-polished HTML code so that I will be able to visualize my dashboard. Well, if you have a specific requirement of having the HTML dashboard in a particular format, like a 9:16 or 16:9, those kind of details that can be provided as part of the prompt as well. I have not done that, so my output will be in a simple website format. But see, let's wait for the agents to stop thinking and provide us the final output, and then we can check. While these things are happening, well, for those who are complete beginners into data analyst and data visualizations and BI areas, you can always explore my beautiful Udemy course, which used to be a bestseller few days back, but I don't know why we have lost the bestseller category. Well, this course already has like 60 hours of on-demand content, and we have topics on Python, statistics, exploration of data, SQL, Excel, Power BI, Tableau, etc., etc. So there's a bunch of things here. And in case you are interested in the data science and AI area, including generative AI and agentic AI, you can go for this program, which is a bestseller, and we have around 110 hours of on-demand videos, and this is an end-to-end course. Well, moving back to Grok, yes, you can see the HTML codes have been getting printed. And by the way, talking about both of these programs, both the program links will be in the description, or at least you will be able to find my WhatsApp number in the description. So either of them will be there. If you have the links, go ahead and enroll. If you have the WhatsApp number, you can reach out to me for any further questions and I will be able to help you out. So you can see the HTML code is getting printed. Let's wait for a few more seconds. Nowadays, with the help of AI, things have become really, really easy. So previously, the entire process of dashboarding used to take a lot of time, analyzing, getting insights, understanding the data, blah blah blah, used to take a lot of time. Nowadays, things have been very, very easier for us. Okay. Mm, oh, that's a huge HTML code. But let's see if I am able to copy paste everything. Dashboard.html and save it as all files. Downloads. Let's go ahead and see this. Oh my god. I mean, this is amazing, right? Trust me, I was directly doing this exercise. Well, this is not working, but I don't have any complaints because most of the things are working fine. Beautiful, right? Even though you select this dashboard or not, at least it will give you a fair amount of idea on how your dashboard could look, right? If you're working on a particular use case, sales data, finance data, any kind of domain level data that you're working on, at least you can take help of AI and you can see the idea the AI is using and creating this dashboard, and you can actually copy that idea, right? So if I download this PDF production generated, what does that mean? Do we have no, this download is not working, but it's fine. Never mind. I can see a lot of things: month to month contract, top churner drivers, fiber optic plus no online security, beautiful graphs, beautiful customer details, AI powered insights and recommendations. Lots and lots of things I can see. Oh, next, target actions. Well, that's great. That's great. So that's it about this beautiful use case, beautiful usage of AI in the data analytics space. See you in another video. Thank you.